What is it?
The prince, I don't know what is wrong with him.
Come with me.
My prince! My prince! Where is it? My prince! Help! My prince!
What happened to him?
I don't know.
What happened to him? Run! Fetch the herbalist! Quickly! Quickly! Get him up! Get him up! Let's get him into his chamber. Have the gods chosen a new priestess?
Igwe, they are still silent.
I do not understand. Why would the gods be silent? Because if the gods have chosen a priestess, I would have had someone else to consult to know why my son cannot be healed.
The condition of the royal house is of a concern to me and the entire kingdom. But that we do not have a priestess does not mean there is no remedy of the ailment that have befallen the prince, heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
But all the native doctors, all the healers who have come from far and near, none of them have been able to cure my son.
My king had traveled far, seeking on how to remedy the situation of the prince.
And?
My king, it will cost so much.
Chelegodo. Akataka.
Igwe.
Are you trying to tell me that I will have to pay you, the chief priest of this kingdom, to cure my son?
Igwe, that is not what I mean.
Then what do you mean?
It is on my own side. Igwe, is a question of life and death. It will cost a lot. The only remedy is for the prince to have a bride.
A bride?
Yes.
Well, that is not a problem. I will inform Igwe Kalako so that his daughter will be betrothed to my son.
My king, not just a bride, but a bride that has a spiritual support that will bring back the life of the prince of this kingdom. Such a bride can only be found in the house of Ezemo of this kingdom. My daughter will stand in for the life of your son and will stand as a queen of this kingdom.
My king, if he's the only one that can heal our son, Please do not let our son die before his time.
Man, never, never. He can ask for anything else. Goats, cows, even land, that I can give. But my son will never marry his daughter.
That means you want our son to die. And we will live with the consequences for the rest of our lives. Mother, why are you crying? Please talk to me. Why are you crying? What did Ezemo say?
Ezemo said that my prince will marry his daughter if he heals it.
What? Who? Azuka? No, Mother. This is not nice. Mother, it's not nice.
What then do we do? Should we allow him to die untimely?
My daughter, what scares you? Talk to me now. Okay.
I heard someone call a name at the river. I looked around, but I did not see anyone.
And what name did you hear?
Miriama. The person repeatedly said, Miriama, Miriama, Miriama. Then who is Miriama?
It is your imagination. My daughter, it is all right for you to be scared when you are alone at the river. Oh? Can't keep it.
What about your brother? I hope he's getting better.
My good friend, my brother's condition is getting worse.
Why not call a medicine man to cure him?
They've all tried all they could, but none could cure him.
Oh. What about the Ezemo? What is he saying is the cause of this illness?
He didn't say anything. He only said he can cure him.
Then what are you all waiting for? Send for him immediately.
He gave us a condition.
Condition? Condition?
That my brother will have to marry his daughter.
Come to think of it, which do you prefer? Is it that the prince dies or that he marries Azuka?
Father, I would like to talk to you.
Go on.
Please, Father, this is the only chance my brother has of surviving. Please do not let him die.
Azuka is not fit to be a wife for my son.
Father, we all know that. But look at the way my brother is lying. Please, Father, have a change of heart.
It is the Ezemo's duty to cure my son. We are Lord over him and his entire family. My son is Lord over him and his entire family. There should not be a price over his head.
And if he says no, when my brother die, will you allow him to die? Father, please send for the Ezemo. Father, please. Please, Father, send for the Ezemo. Father, please. Please, Father. Don't allow my brother to die, Father, please. Please, Father.
Even since you have agreed by my terms, you will swear by this offer that your son will have my daughter as his bride.
I swear.
With this action from you, the bond is now between your son and my daughter. They are under oath to be husband and wife, and my daughter will be the future queen of this kingdom. Igwe, may I say this?
Evil is bad, one never. If I journey in we get people everywhere with bad intentions.
Olu ko nelu. Onya na akpọ mkwe n'ive ọ na-eme. Akata ka oke mmụọ, akata ka oke dibịa. Olu ko n'elu. Olu mgbe eji atụwa nwoke ime n'azụ ụlọ. Ọkwa na anyị na-ekwu ọ na-eme. Na oke dibịa mekwe n'ive ọ dịka o were eti ndị mmụọ n'aka. Maka na ọ na-awụ n'ụwa mmụọ vụrụ ụzọ dibịa na-eso. Ọkwa na dibịa nyela akpa. Oke ọgwụ dị na akpa dibịa a na-afụ ụzọ ọkụ. Where is the prince?
In his chamber.
Come with me.
Udene bajano, ajano. Udene bajano, akalamada akalam. Udene bajano, udene bajano. Udene bajano, udene bajano.
Yeah, stop there. Where do you think you are going to?
Have you lost your senses? How dare you stop me from entering here? The next time you try to stop me, the future queen of Amido, I will have you locked in the palace prison for 7 days without food or water. My prince, the future of Amido, the resemblance of his father, the one who pleases my heart. The wishes of every sane maiden in this kingdom. I am favored by the gods because they have blessed me with you.
Maiden of Amido.
My prince.
Slow down. I cannot make any meaning from what you have written out.
My prince, I am the one made for you.
You did what? Was it out of ignorance?
I do not know, and do not care to know, Father. All I want is the prince.
Where is he now?
At the palace. Did you lie to me, Father? Why is he rejecting me?
Azuka, why will you think of such against your father?
I don't know what else to say. For the one I want is rejecting me. He's looking elsewhere.
Omenka. You will know that Takataka is a name, not just a title. You will know why I am called Akataka. My king, it is of a concern that I wish to know why you have not told him yet.
I do not understand what you're talking about.
The prince, my king.
Told him what exactly?
My king, should the humiliation continue from the prince to my daughter anymore, you know what this kingdom faces. You know what the royal household will face. I will advise in my capacity as the Ezemo that you should do the needful and give him the right information. This kingdom and the royal household will be at risk when the life of that person who should succeed you is in contest. Permit me to take my leave.
Hey mama, hey mama, evil is bad. One never, if I
how could you all agree to such without thinking about me? How? Of all the maidens in this kingdom? No, Father, I will not do that.
My son, I took an oath. If you do not agree to the conditions given by Ezemo, I do not know what will befall you or this royal family. Speak to your son.
Uzo, my son, sit down. Please. Uzo, that was the only option to keep you alive. Your father did not want it to be. But what could we have done? When all the herbalists in this kingdom and beyond could not hear you.
Mother, and my happiness has to go down for it. Mother, I am not the king yet. And I am already making sacrifices for the throne. Mother, let me ask you. Is the Ezemo not the chief priest of this kingdom? Is it not his duty to heal those that are sick and ill in his kingdom? Why the sacrifice?
Oluchi, what is happening to you?
I do not know.
What did you eat?
What else other than what we have been eating?
Yay!
When I tell you to now, have you taken any herbs? No.
I did before coming here, thinking that it would stop. But on my way here, it got worse.
Hey!
It's paining me.
What do we do now?
Amaro.
Sorry.
Please do not beat yourself too hard. I'm here with you. We'll work on hard together to be a better person. Who knows if the gods want her to change in your hands? Will you say no to the gods?
When an oath was involved, Adugo, my sister, the gods do not work that way. No.
It is what it is. You're bonded by oaths. Please, do not let what would not know befall us.
No.
Please, my brother.
No. Asuka. No, that's Asuka. No.
I am thirsty. Can I get water to quench my thirst?
You're thirsty. Oma has gone to fetch water. Hi. Oh, thank the gods she's back.
Greetings, Nne.
Oma, you are welcome. Please go and drop the pot and fetch some water for my friend to drink. You. Okay. Hurry up, what's this all? Don't worry. Okay, it's okay. It will stop.
Okay.
Oma, hurry up. What's this all? Sorry. Yeah, hurry up, hurry up. Do not take too much water because it's not good for someone that is having stomach pain. Ozuko, go and keep it. What is it?
The pain.
What's happened?
I cannot feel the pain anymore.
Eh? Hey!
Wait.
I do not understand. How? Eh?
I cannot feel the pains anymore.
Hey! Wait. Let me go and call Oma. Oma! Oma! Oma, did you add anything to the water?
What water are you talking about, Nne?
The one you gave my friend to drink.
No, mother. I did not add anything to the water. Is something wrong? Is she okay?
Before you came back, she was complaining of stomach upset. But immediately she took the water you gave her to drink, this pain stopped. Women, did you add any herb to the water?
No, mother. I did not add any herb to the water.
Are you okay?
My daughter, I cannot feel the pains anymore. Anolia. Huh? Hey!
Yeah, it's fine.
Greeting, my friend.
Yeah, greeting.
Stop there. Come. Come.
What did you do that for?
to put her in her place. Did she not see me? Why didn't she greet me, the future queen of this kingdom?
I'm sorry. You can pick the calabash and go.
Leave!
I will not have you lay your hands on any of my maidens again.
And that's not your decision to make. I need not remind you about us.
What's up, my life?
Udene sepaka wanofa Makano keke wahindi kwantinjo Obu megi sikanali nkapu Chobu omwe ya kudene.
Come back here. Come. Did you not see me?
I saw you.
And you can't greet the future queen of this kingdom.
Greeting.
Better. Come back here. Come back here. Come back. Did you not see me?
I did.
You did? And you cannot greet me? As the future queen of this kingdom.
Future queen of which kingdom? This one.
Stop! 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 I will deal with you! I will tell my father I will deal with you!
The one who did I don't want somebody but now who did Bajano? Ajano, who did Bajano? Okalamada, who did Bajano? Who did
I wonder who made the king accept Azuka as a bride for the prince. I do not trust the Ezemo. I do not trust him at all. How are we sure he has not used something on our king to allow him to agree to such terms? My father told me that the Ezemo said, that the gods said there should not be any priestess in the kingdom anymore. The Ezemo is evil. The Ezemo is evil. I overheard people say a lot of bad things about him, and he has done. Gods have ears.
No, Mom.
Oluchi.
No, my friend.
Where are you going with this fowl?
I came to say thank you to Oma for healing me the other day. See now, your friend is free. I'm free from the pain.
I do not understand.
My friend, if not for Oma, I do not know what would have happened to me. Magically, she healed me of my stomach pain. Please accept this gift from me.
No, we cannot. What are friends for? Are you not my friend?
I insist. I brought it for Oma. Please accept it from me.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
What is the meaning of this?
I wish I can tell. Please go and keep it so that you can go and fetch water. Gavani. Hurry up.
How dare you serve me cold food?
Azuka, you should have asked her to make it hot for you, instead of you throwing it at her.
You, why are you always attacking me? Eh? What side are you on? Listen, if I feel uncomfortable in this palace, my father will hear of it. Take this thing out of here! Be fast! You should mind the way you talk to me in presence of your servants.
I'm sorry.
Azuka, what is the meaning of this nonsense in my father's palace? How dare you lay your hands on the maiden? Acting as if you were the reason that we are hired in this palace.
Listen, I am the future queen of this kingdom and I have the right to treat them however I please.
Look at you. You are not even the queen yet. You act as if you own this kingdom. Let me warn you, the next time you lay your hands on any of the maidens in this palace, you will see what I will do to you.
Did you just sit here and watch your sister talk to me like that?
I'm sorry.
I know what to do.
Let me help you. Rest here. I will go into the stream and fill your water pot.
My son, no. Thank you so much, but I cannot allow you to do it.
But why, mother? If I was to come out from your womb, I will. And you're old enough to be my grandmother. Please, I beseech you, let me do it. And it will be an honor to me doing it. Please.
My son, if you insist, no, you are a good man.
Thank you.
And you deserve better. Take it, I'll be waiting. Eh? Thank you.
Stay here with her while we return. Let us go. Can you hear that? The voice. Oduma.
Yes, my friend.
Take this water pot.
Okay.
Hand it over to the old woman and return to the palace from there.
But, my prince, what will I tell the royal household if they inquire of you?
Tell them I asked to be alone.
Alright, my prince.
Egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ ọbịa gbara m egwu egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ ọbịa gbara m egwu egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ ọbịa gbara m egwu
Do not be afraid. All my life, I've never heard a voice as wonderful as yours. Please, do not stop. Keep singing, for my soul found solace in it.
Greetings, great prince of Amido Kingdom.
Greetings, young maiden of Amido. It is only but the gods can bless you with such wonderful voice. Please, heal my wounded soul with it. If I may ask, what is your name?
My name is Oma. Daughter of late Mazukoro.
What a name with a soul-lifting voice. Your name matches your voice. Do you mind visiting the palace?
I will come, but not now.
Oh my God. Do you mind to sing for me again? Please.
Egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ ọbịa gbara m egwu egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ ọbịa gbara m egwu egwu mụ bụ egwu udo n'ifunanya
My brother, my friend. Isuzo.
what brings the pride of this royal household to my chamber.
May the gods of our land, may this fulfillment of this day never comes to an end.
Issy.
I have never seen you this happy in a while. Who is she?
Soon you will see her.
I can't wait to see her.
Just like her name, so is her voice.
I've never seen you this happy in a while. May you never see lesser days than this.
Issy. Please instruct the maidens to bring my food. I'm hungry.
Let me get it.
Okay.
My prince! My prince!
Where is your brother? He's not inside.
I don't know what is giving you the courage to move in and out of people's home. If he's not in his hut, then you should go home and make food for your father. Leave!
When she comes back, she'll eat this one.
Ne. You are back.
I thought there was water in this house before I left for the market. Eh? You know now, Banjambili, is there anything you're not telling me, Oma?
No, mother.
Ngwa, go and drop the pots and come back. Oma! Nke ị na-erezere mgbe na-aga. Come and sit down. Dandala no siso. Oma, who is he? Is there anything you're hiding from me? Akwam ketao. Answer me. I am your mother.
No, it is the prince.
What happened to the prince?
He overheard me singing the other day at the riverbank. Since that day, he has been asking me to come and sing for him.
To come and sing for him? Is that all?
Yes.
Ogucha? Are you sure? So bad, Ngwa. Go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Eat.
My son.
Yes, father.
Lately, you've not been spending much time in the palace. Why?
Father, I found solace outside this palace.
I understand how you feel, but is that why you missed today's council meeting? This is the 4th council meeting you have missed so far. You are the heir apparent to this throne. You are the one to sit on this throne when I must have earned my place in the table of my ancestors. You are supposed to be here, attending these meetings, listening to the elders and council of chiefs talk, so that when you become king, you will know how to rule this kingdom. So how will you learn how to rule this kingdom if you do not attend council meetings?
Apologies, father. I will not miss the next meeting.
Good.
Thank you, father.
What in the name of the gods is going on here? Who is she?
A singer. She sings for me.
As what? Are you possessed by demons that need songs to chase them out?
She's just an...
Get out of this palace now!
And who are you to detest who comes into this palace or not?
If you need me to always remind you, I will do just that. I am the future queen of this kingdom, and whatever I say stands. Now you, leave this place before I do something we all regret.
Oma!
Leave! It's time I deal with you.
Won't you do something? Will you just allow her do whatever she likes in this palace?
I told you. I knew all this from the very beginning. She stepped her feet in this palace. Like seriously, right now I don't know what else to do.
Some people are busy destroying people's happiness. Ooh. Some people are busy destroying human lives. Oh. Just to fulfill their devilish assignment. Devilish assignment. Devilish.
Oma. I'm here to apologize for what happened at the palace. I'm sorry. She's
evil. She is nothing but evil. How did you get yourself entangled with her in the first place?
My parents did, not me. Oma, I found peace in you, and I want to be with you for the rest of my life.
It will not be easy. But I do not want to walk out on the prince of my kingdom. So please, leave my father's hut.
My love, I'm sorry.
Leave my father's hut!
Stop there. Now listen, I am not always this nice. Seeing you with my man alone is enough for me to kill you. But no, I will not. Instead, let me warn you. Stay away from my man! I do not know and do not care what you two are doing. He's under oath with me and I will not share him with anyone. Are you not the one I'm talking to? How dare you walk out on me when I'm talking to you? I have not even started with you yet. Stay away from my man!
Mundi Jemengala, piano rolumo. Miro madoredo, miro. Chicken remnenua, piano rolumo. Miro madoredo, miro. Mirinji amuke, piano rolumo. Miro madoredo. Ikendi jiribi uamu piano bara meguo Miro madoredo Ora miri kanabo ono bi aftere meguo Miro madoredo Miro
You are the reason he is happy. Please, do not take it away from him.
He's under an oath with her.
You two can fight it.
Fight it. Fight it. How can I fight a battle I know nothing about? She attacked me this morning. I'm sorry.
The gods of true and pure love will guide you both.
It's not that easy.
The most important thing is my brother loves you.
It is not easy.
Mirinji amuke piano ronumo Miro madoredo Ikendi jiribi uamu piano bara meguo Miro madoredo Ora miri kanabo ono bi aftere meguo Miro madoredo Miro madoredo Ahamubu miroma Abiaram kankuru miri doredo Wenabana banyo Manu tom mire kweimu naba Miri asobugomu Chikere nenuwa Bianunu ronumu Jiribi wow piano ronumo Miro madoredo Ora miri bigo bianu ekene kam jiribi o Miro madoredo Miro Ese wanyi miri piano bara megwo Miro madoredo Miro Onurono no bia Mara meguo Miro madoredo Miro Chikere nenua Pia mara meguo Miro madoredo Miro Mwanchiri biwa Pia mara meguo Miro madoredo 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 Miro maneyangore Miro manawore ọma na-enye ike o.
Udene bajano. Udene bajano. Okalamado kalam. Udene bajano. 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 Udene bajano.
Father, all I want is to become the next queen of this kingdom. You can do it for me, Father. That's all I desire.
Your wish is not my wish for you. The late priestess of this kingdom challenged my powers, even dared to expose all my deeds. I killed her because of you. My wish for you is to be the next priestess of this kingdom.
I did not ask for that. Do that which I asked for. Father, I want to be the next queen of this kingdom.
The future queen of this kingdom is a good wish. But have you ever thought of the king accepting his son to marry you? Have you ever thought of it? My daughter, the position of the priestess is my wish for you. It wields so much authority in this kingdom. Become the priestess. Both of us can rule this kingdom together. That is my wish for you.
I do not want to be the priestess. Father, I do not want to be the priestess. I want to be the queen. And Father, I make this promise to you this day, that when I become queen and my husband, the prince, becomes the king, I will control him and make him abolish the position of priestess in this kingdom. In that case, nobody will ever challenge your power. Father, I know the king will soon join his ancestors, and then you and I will be in charge.
So be it. So be your wish. Your wish is to be the future queen. You will have it. I am going to cast a spell on the prince. And I will make sure no herbalist can cure him. I will even make sure that no native doctor can trace the cause of the spell. If the king refuses to join his ancestors soonest, I will facilitate it so you can have your wish. You are my daughter, the bravest maiden of this kingdom. You are a true blood from my loins.
I am proud to have you as my father.
Your wish is granted. And I give you my word this day. Once the prince is with the spell, I will condition the royal household that the only remedy to the prince's ailment is having you as his bride, which will put you in the position of the future queen of this kingdom.
Darling,
good.
I cannot give up after all this. I cannot.
Tell me, what is it that troubles your heart?
Someone has taken my place in the prince's heart, father.
It cannot happen. Impossible. Who is that person from this kingdom or beyond? Tell me who that person is and I will have that person dealt with immediately.
I want powers to do it myself. I need powers, father.
Akata koke dibia. Na nya yara na kwọcha aka, tielo ọkụkọ akụ. Nna meme. Maka na nwa dibia bụrụ ofeke. Asị na anya wulu azụ na mmiri ọghọrọ ihe ofe. Stretch forth your hand. Na anya wulu azụ na mmiri ọghọrọ ihe ofe. Anya wulu azụ na mmiri ọghọrọ ihe ofe. Na ama ka ọkụkọ achịkọ onwe na nkwọ yeriri nni. Anyị si na mbọsị eke na anyị aga na-eje. Mbọsị oye na anyị aga na-eje. Mbọsị afọ anyị aga na-eje. Nkwọ ya akwụtala anyị ihe nụ. Na mbọsị nkwọ anyị azụ. Ọ bụ oke dibịa mete nke ji wee mara ya ma na oke dibịa maka na asị na oke dibịa chụcha aja. O were eti ndị mmụọ n'aka na dibịa esugbu atịpa na ọ ka anyị si wee su ka ọ ya esi wee dị. Azoka, stand up. Azoka, you are now fortified with powers. Whatsoever that is your desire, you can achieve it. You can do and undo. You can tie and untie. Whatsoever or whosoever that stands on your way. Udenabora no lili. Ejirude na agwọgwụ ejirude na elekwa ọgwụ. Ihe aga na-efe kudene na ana kudene.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
Greetings, my priestess. Princess.
Yeah.
Who is she?
Ure. She's my friend.
Then praise be to our gods. Because she's the next priestess of this great kingdom.
How do you know?
She's dressed just like a priestess.
Well, she's dressed the way you're dressed.
My princess, you will not understand.
Okay. My brother is in his hut. You can go in.
Okay.
Egwu mụ bụ egwu udo na ịfụnanya. Ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ bịa gbara m egwu. Egwu mụ bụ egwu udo na ịfụnanya. Ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ bịa gbara m egwu. Egwu mụ bụ egwu udo na ịfụnanya. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Ọnụrụ ọnụ mụ bịa gbara m egwu. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Mmụọ gbọmbi ụwa nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Mmiri nji agwọ ọrịa nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Ndị nchi ekike nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Ese nwanyị mmiri nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Mmụọ ndị na-enye m obi aṅụrị nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo. Ekene ka m ji bịa nnọọ. Iyeri iyeri dodo.
What is it, my love?
I had a dream last night.
Dream? What was it all about?
In the dream, I saw both of us inside the river, singing and dancing.
You see, I have told you severally to reduce the number of times you go to the river and fetch water. But do not worry, it's just a dream. You'll be fine. Alright?
But I don't know what it means.
That is why it's a dream. So, don't worry. You're fine. Asuka.
You daughter of a commoner. This is the second time I am warning you. I will not be this lenient next time. Now listen. Today should be the very last day I will see you with my man. He's under an oath with me and I will not share him with anyone. I am not always this nice when someone tries to take what is more important to me. Stay away! Stay away!
It's not what you think. Mama! Father! Father!
What is this cursed child doing here?
There's no cursed child here. Asuka, I've told you she's my singer.
I do not want to behold her here. Ask her to leave.
Go nowhere.
My eyes are closed. I do not want your presence here when I open them. Leave!
And who are you to give such orders in this palace when the royal household has not?
I've told you before and I will tell you again. I am the future queen of this kingdom and I have the right to ask whomever I want out of this palace. Now, leave this place!
You are not even a princess yet, let alone the queen. So until then, she stays.
Leave this place before I do something you will regret.
I said she stays!
Ah!
Asuka!
Don't harm me.
Adugo!
I have warned you to stay away from the prince, but you do not listen. I do not know why you have chosen this path of destruction in this patch of the earth you find yourself in.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, show me mercy. Please.
It's too late for a stubborn fly follow the corpse to his grave.
What is chasing you? What is it? Ogini, talk to me! What is it? Talk to me, talk to me. What is chasing you? Put your talk to me.
No. Something terrible happened at the palace.
What happened? What is it?
Asuka asking the princess.
Hey!
She attacked the prince and I, but Acham could not affect me in any way. I don't know. What did she come for me? Mother, why couldn't her charms penetrate me? Mother, who am I? I need to know. Please, Mother. You have to tell me, where am I from? What is so special about me? What is special about me, Ma? Ma, please tell me, who am I, Mama? Who am I? I need to know where I'm from.
I'll tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Oh, no. Please forgive me,
Ugochi, give me a seat. Give me a seat. I'm asking nothing else but a seat. Give me a seat. Give me a seat. Ugochi, you go and come back to this hut. Give me a child, Ejo. Ejo. Is that too hard to ask? You go and come back to this hut.
My husband, the food is ready.
What did you prepare?
Yam and oil. Let me go and get it.
Come back here. Yam and oil. Is that what I asked you to make for me? Yeah? Is it not enough that you are barren? Answer me.
There is no cassava, and I'm not feeling too well to go to the farm to harvest some.
There's no cassava. I am not feeling too well to go to the farm. There's no cassava. Yeah? Give me a seat. Give me a seat. Fat, don't come back to this hut again. Don't come back. Alusigom. Nonsense about you.
Why would you carry this firewood all by yourself? Nne, why would your children allow you to fetch firewood? No. Let me help you with this.
No, my child. Do not bother yourself. Your heart is already troubled, and I do not want to trouble you the more. No more I can do it.
You're not troubling me. Let me help you with this. Please, let me help you.
If you say so, let me help you. Can you carry it?
Can you please direct me to your hut?
Okay, this way.
Oh, that way.
I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Direct me on how to get to your hut so I can drop this firewood.
Now you catch your breath.
My daughter, this is where I stay.
You stay here? Why?
My daughter, I was chased out of my husband's house because I could not give him a seed. He hits me at sunset and sunrise. My daughter, I know you're passing through the same fate. Stop crying, Mom. Drop the firewood there. Then go to the bank of the river. You will see a calabash there. Take it. Take some water from the river and drink it. You will conceive. Name the child Miriam. Go.
I should drop it.
Drop it. Go.
Daughter, that was how I conceived you. But your father, it was better I never did. He made life so miserable for me.
Greetings, my husband.
Ugochi. Where are you coming from?
The farm.
Which farm? The same farm I asked you not to go to.
My husband, if I do not go to the farm to harvest some farm produce, how am I going to eat with this pregnancy?
Ugochi, you think you can deceive me with this thing? Eh? You think you can deceive me with this thing? Only the gods know what you have inside there. Ugochi. Ugochi. Ugochi, let me see you near any of my farmland or talk of harvesting any of them. KFM Mermaid.
The gods did not allow him to see you. They killed him moment before you were born.
So that explains why each time I sing at the stream, the goddess will always come out to dance.
Yes.
Your friend, that was how she was healed of her stomach pain.
Yes, my daughter.
So I belong to the river. I am a child of the river.
Yes. And that was why Azuka was not able to harm you. Lastly, your real name is Miriama. They said I should name you this, but I made it short to Oma, so that people will not start looking at you as a strange girl and they will accept you in their midst. That's what happened.
That was exactly the same name I heard at the river.
Yes, it's my daughter.
The one who sees the heart of the innocent and shows compassion. I come to you in obeisance. Please, I have questions and I need answers. Who am I?
What do you want to know, my child? I have come to know my true origin.
I want to know where I am from on this part of the earth. Where do I belong to? Who am I?
Your earthly mother has already told you everything you need to know. Or you think she is not truthful with her words?
If that is true, why does Azuka, the daughter of the chief priest, thrive in her wicked ways? Azuka has killed my only friend and the man I love. I don't know his fate. Please, Great One, I need your help. I want to avenge the death of my friend and put an end to Azuka's evil ways. Please.
My daughter, I will grant you your wish. But I'll also tell you that you have little time on this earth to live. You have only 4 years to live on this earth, and then you will join us.
I do not mind, as long as I am united with my prince. Please, Great One, your wish is my command. Help me save my land.
What is it? Huh? Oh, give me one more. Oma, get up. What is it? Oma, what happened to you? Oma, give me, get up, talk to me. Oma, talk to me. Talk to me.
You are evil! Stay far from me! Go! You are evil! Go! Go!
My love, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to us? I am not evil. I'm only trying to protect what is mine.
I'm not yours! I do not belong to you! Go! Go!
What are you doing in the house?
Mother!
You killed my daughter. How evil can you be? I regret today I asked my husband to come for your father's help. You are evil! You healed my son and killed my daughter. You and your father are evil. Out of this place. Did you hear me? I said out!
Breathe one more word And you will join your
And
ancestors.
what can you do? What can you do that you have not done? You think I'm scared of you? Is that what you think? Mother! I warned you! I warned you! I warned you!
Mama! Mother! Mother! No! Nothing! Mother! Mother, please, Mother, what's up? Some people are busy destroying.
Father, a maiden in this kingdom is challenging me. I need more powers to deal with her.
Who is that fool? Who is that idiot that dares the daughter of the most dreaded native doctor that ever lived in this kingdom? You have all the powers to upturn and to destroy whoever or whatsoever that stands before you. But as it is your wish, and so shall it be. As in we may live you ever almost a warrior cake one. Walk one a cocha even in the Nova cage, and Mokadibia, Mokadibia, face the tree. Onye ya na-evisi anu adakwadera la banu. Na nwa agwa na rataja. Asi ni ba ikwu no ko ya de. Obodo ke mo na mo ke mmadu. Onye nne ya na-evisi anu adoro mo ipala agba anu. Iwe onye logo ya bụrụ sa na-ekwu na ememe no ka isi wepie ka oye si wee de.
You think you can stand me to a fight? Azuka, there is no way darkness shall prevail over light. You have dared me enough. Today you will meet your maker. You lie, Azuka. I am on a mission and no force can stop me. Not even you. We shall see to that. Wasa adudu elengiga. Osibo sikari ankapo. Ojokari uden. Atakata.
Today mark the end of your evil reign, Akataka.
The anger of the death of my daughter, I am going to destroy you. Do you know who you are standing in his presence? I am going to destroy you. I, Akataka, the only mother, the only seer, the only strong being that traveled and crossed the 7 seas, crossed the 7 hills to meet with Itegidi at the hilltop. There I killed and came home with his head. Who are you to stand before me to challenge me? Who are you? I will destroy you. Stay clear, my path. Stay clear now! Obidoja. I say no Obidoja. Nadara pisiaka wala mocho. Inugodi inuko nubu na mata nyo kan say. Akataka tili mmoti ya mwada. Akataka bulu mmozo weje wako. Akataka bulu mmozo weje wako. Mwa akataka. Asi mobilo na boya na mobilo ni boya na mo me na bo de kanya maro me ni bo de kanya maro mano lu na ke toto. Baba akataka ni kuna tsi komela. Esimeya jabonya.
Akataka! I know well enough to know that today you shall die. Fool!
Devilish assignment, devilish assignment, devilish. Just to fulfill the devilish assignment, devilish assignment, devilish.
My king, rejoice because Amido is great again. I know your heart will be filled with so many unanswered questions. But do not worry. Peace and calm has returned to this land. Send for Urenna, the daughter of Leto Konkwo. She is to be appointed as the new priestess of this land. Do not fear. The evil Ezemo has joined his ancestors. Amido is at peace. Yes, my king.
I only have this to say to you. Serve this kingdom well. Your predecessor served the kingdom very well before she was called to join the ancestors. It is now your time. Go and start your work.
Okay, my king.
My love. Otomo. Otom. Easy. 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 Come on, have a seat. How is the baby?
Kiki.
Yeah. I feel it.
This is my face. Pretty.
How is the baby doing? I can see. So, our child. What's going to be her name?
Don't know yet.
Finally, we are together now.
Yes, sir.
I'm blessed for having you as my wife. Otomo, enjoy yourself. Enugo, Otomo, enjoy yourself. Feel free. Everything's all yours. Oh, thanks to God. Finally, we are together. Stay well. Don't wound the baby. You don't wound you. Stay well. Yeah, wow. How's she? My love!
You cannot touch me. My time is up. I have to go now.
Let's go together. I can't stay here alone.
No, my love. Where I am going to, you cannot come with me. You must be transformed.
Then do it.
You will have to die.
It is fine by me.
You want to die?
Yes, my love.
What about our son? Who is going to take care of our child?
Your mother will. He will become the next king after my father. Yes.
What kind of a man are you? choosing death over life?
Yes. Death over life, my love.
Drink.
Some people are busy destroying people's happiness. Ooh. Some people are busy destroying human lives. Oh. Just to fulfill their devilish assignment. Devilish assignment. Devilish. Just to fulfill their devilish assignment, devilish assignment, devilish. People no longer respect traditions because of bad eggs, 'cause they have destroyed the purity of the land. Massive debt, scarcity of